Struggling to get traffic online? What if AI could help you generate massive traffic in under 7 minutes? Most people struggle because they don't know how to get consistent traffic. They waste time and money on ineffective methods. Imagine generating massive traffic in under 7 minutes without needing any experience or technical skills. AI tools are changing everything. Introducing Traffic Genius, a game-changing free traffic generation system powered by advanced AI technology. This powerful platform uses advanced AI to generate traffic, designed to help anyone boost engagement, clicks, and conversions. Traffic Genius is designed to help you create attention-grabbing, traffic-pulling videos easily and effectively. Imagine creating content for all major social platforms, boosting engagement, clicks, and conversions across multiple channels. You can create content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and more. No need to spend hours editing videos or learning complicated software. Traffic Genius automates the hard work for you. So how exactly does Traffic Genius achieve this effortless, high-traffic content creation? The system uses an AI-powered multimodal stack engineered to create highly engaging videos designed to capture attention fast. Whether you're promoting affiliate products, growing a business, building a brand, or trying to increase your online presence, traffic is essential for success. Most people struggle for consistent traffic, but AI tools provide a simple solution. With Traffic Genius, beginners can create professional-looking videos in minutes. No expensive equipment, video editing skills, or prior experience required. Just a few clicks, and the AI helps you create content designed to attract viewers and drive engagement effortlessly. The best part is that this system offers a completely risk-free opportunity to get started. The system is completely free to get started. That means zero financial risk for you. You can test out AI-powered traffic generation for yourself and see the power of this technology without taking a financial risk. Creators and marketers globally are now using AI automation to grow faster online, save time, and create more content than ever before. If you want to stay ahead, learning how to use AI for traffic generation could be a huge advantage. If you're ready to start generating more traffic and getting more views with the power of AI, don't wait. Click on the link below to get started now and grow online faster today.